Hello students, now we are discussing about COP27 key takeaways. Okay, it occurred in Egypt Sharm el Sheikh region from November 6 to November 18, 2022. Here, COP27 means Conference of Parties 27th meeting. In this meeting, some important discussions are number 1, a breakthrough agreement. Hello students, please listen it carefully. Okay? Number 1 is a breakthrough agreement. Governments at COP27 meeting took a groundbreaking decision to establish a loss and damage fund. What is it? It is loss and damage fund. It is mainly to assist developing countries in responding to loss and damage from climate linked disasters. It can be seen as the most important climate advance since the Paris Agreement at COP 2015. And second one is Global Methane Pledge. The International Energy Agency stated that methane is one of the most potent greenhouse gases. Which gas is the most potent greenhouse gas by IEA? It is methane. Okay. The US and European Union, as joint leaders of Global Methane Pledge, announced that now 150 nations are committed to reducing methane emissions by at least 30% by 2030. What is the target? It is 150 nations are committed to reducing methane emissions by at least 30% by 2030. Russia, India and China were notably absent from this pledge. Okay? This pledge by US and European Union. And third one is zero deforestation. Okay? Brazil's former president Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva campaigned on a pledge to dramatically reduce deforestation in the Amazon just as he did in Copenhagen in 2009. He said that please reduce deforestation in Amazon forest like in Copenhagen, which he did in 2009. He electrified the conference with his promise of zero deforestation by 2030 and restored people's faith in the power of ballot box to solve the climate problem. Okay? This Brazil's former president Lula da Silva name is very important because he talked about zero deforestation concept on Amazon forest in COP27 meeting. Don't miss it. And fourth one is making progress. United Nations stated that need to ensure that net zero targets set by nations and non-state actors are alike. The Net Zero Tracker published its latest big global stocktake evidencing precious little progress in nations and non-state actors backing up long-term goals with science-based interim ambitions. Okay? Who said it? It is said by United Nations. What it said? It is, please, there is a need to ensure net zero targets set by different nations and non-state actors also with long-term goals and with science-based interim ambitions. And next one is Adaptation Agenda and Get Stronger. Egyptian presidency launched Sharm el Sheikh Adaptation Agenda in partnership with the UN Climate Change High-Level Champions and the Marrakesh Partnership. This agenda is a comprehensive global to-do list to help improve the resiliency of more than 4 billion people against climate-related risk by 2030. Okay? Adaptation Agenda and Get Stronger. It is by Egyptian presidency in UN Climate Change High-Level Championship. It is mainly to improve the resiliency of 4 billion people who are against climate-related risk by 2030. Next one is Call to Action. We mean Business Coalition issued a declaration on behalf of hundreds of businesses declaring that 1.5 degrees Celsius temperature is a limit, not a target, and argue the case that negotiators should work with the private sector to prevent the horrors of climate crisis. Like this, 6 takeaways are very important from this COP27 meetings which occurred in Egypt Sharm el Sheikh region in 2022. Okay? Don't miss it. I again repeat it. It is a breakthrough agreement and global methane pledge, zero deforestation, adaptation agenda and Get Stronger, making progress, and call to action. These are very, very important from COP27. Don't miss it. This topic is very important for prelims and mains also. All the best and thank you so much.